everybody, it's Kayla from Kayla Crochet Love, and I'm just coming to you today because I received my Leo and Roxy sock of the month club for March. So I wanted to open that with you guys. So I did cut the envelope open. So I didn't do anything else. That's the package there. So I was waiting to do it with you guys. So let's go ahead and do that. So that's the package. Just some cute little tape. Alright, let's see what we got. Oh my goodness. You guys. Okay, so the last month they sent me a tea, and they have also sent me another one. Ooh. So it's again Stash, and it's chocolate orange. I am probably gonna make this once I'm done recording. The last time I got a green tea and it was delicious. I'm not big on like herbal teas and green teas, but that one was really good. So I got a tea. And I got this adorable little notions pouch. And it's J. Hendry Design Company. I've never heard of them, but that is super cute. I'm going to put that in one of my project bags with probably some stitch markers and scissors and stuff. That is super cute. I want to look at it because I want to see the inside. So J. Hendry Designs Co., that's all their information. I will link to their Etsy shop down below. These are super cute. So yeah, just a little notions pouch. I'll probably use it for my stitch markers. Oh, and it even has a little, as if it's a little box bottom. So it opens pretty darn wide there. That is adorable. Very excited with that. I don't have a lot of notions pouches, so that's a good thing to have. Okay, and then, you guys, this yarn is gorgeous. So it's March 2019 Sock Club. 420 yards. There's a lot of yardage. And it's a superwash merino nylon because it's meant for socks. And look at this. It's so pretty. So again, there's the Leo and Roxy label. And of course, I will link to their website down below in case you're interested. They have some really nice yarns. But look at this. Oh, so pretty. It's so colorful. Oh, oh my goodness. I love opening these boxes. I only subscribed for 3 months, so I have 1 month left. But it's so fun, and I might see about signing up for another subscription box because it's just fun to be surprised. And yarns like this I can always make something with. My last one I made a cowl with, which I showed on my last episode. If you haven't seen it, go check it out there. I don't know what I'll make with this one, but it's beautiful. So I'm very happy. So got these 3 things in my subscription box for the month of March. So I'm very happy. This yarn is gorgeous. I was very surprised. Last month was a little more neutral. Like it had color in it, but it was like speckled almost. And so this month is just like pop of color, which is perfect because I say we're getting into spring, like I said on my last episode, but it is only mid-March here in Ontario, so we could be getting snow till mid-April. So, yeah, I'm very happy. So I will link all the information to where you can find Leo and Roxy and J. Hendry Designs down below in case you are interested in any of those. But yeah, that's it for today, guys. I just want to share that with you guys. So I will talk to you guys later. Bye.